Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, December 23rd. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. First and foremost, in case I do leave early today and I don't do the recap video until Monday, I want to wish everybody a very happy and merry, healthy Christmas. Enjoy yourselves with your family. That's what it's all about. And thank you for being loyal followers, and especially to the people in my trading room. You have no idea how much I really appreciate you. So, again, thank you. Now, yesterday I said in the morning video, I wouldn't doubt if range and volume contract. And we did the opposite. We had almost a $9 range and we did 100 million shares. So I'm not going to go that route anymore. What did happen yesterday is we put the daily back down. So now let's see if the buyers and the bulls could come back and put it right back into balance. Because right now the monthly is balanced, the weekly is down, and the daily is down with 5 days left in our trading year. Wide overnight POC. Remember, we left one tick in ES of single prints. We left a couple of pennies in SPY as after a vicious push down, a vicious short covering rally, almost a nice V shape to end the day, which I didn't expect and obviously cost me. As far as the other one, same thing. Qs, now they had a bigger set of singles. As you can see, they've been trading inside of them here in the pre-market. Russell didn't go out with any single prints, and they actually in the pre-market looked above yesterday's high. IWM continues to go back and forth through 173.39. Just go look at a monthly chart, and you'll see that that was the all-time high from August of 18, which they continually can't get away from. They keep coming back to it. 4 years worth of gains continually out the window. So that's going to be interesting as we go into next year. Overnight high in SPY, 382.44. Overnight low, 379.70. Game plan for this morning. Well, since the bears have a daily down, I would think any push up against whatever the overnight high is and yesterday's high would be worth a short the first time to see if they defend it. Okay, now it would be with either overlapping a higher or higher value, but we'll see if they defend it the first time. Now there is 75 minutes to go. We're not sure where the overnight high will be, but for now, we'll see if it's worth a short against that level. In the next 75 minutes, if we gap higher, again, there's nothing, and I mean nothing above us in the previous day. You have a price vacuum. This price vacuum's all over the place, the way this emotional trading takes place, really. And the same to the downside. Our first downside destination is the overnight low and then yesterday's low. So, again, I'm not sure how much we'll do today, volume and range, but it won't be hard to move this market one way or the other. So if you gap higher in the next 75 minutes, I'd look for a long against yesterday's high, out if that fails. Now, in the next 75 minutes, if we open smack in the middle of here, again, you could take a short against M's high to see if they defend that one little tick of single prints. If it opens again below here, am I looking for a long in here? No, because like I said, especially if we get below the overnight low, there's nothing to lean on. Can you take a long against the overnight low? Sure you can. But it is in balance, in value. Again, a worse of your risk reward. But those are all little visual plays you can certainly take as long as you have your outs, right? Out below the overnight low, out below yesterday's high on a short, things of that nature. And then quickly on the chart. Again, I'm not sure if I'm leaving early. If I do, it'll be around 2 p.m. If I do, we'll recap everything today and the week when I come back on Monday. So here's the daily. The daily is down. It was a very nice finish, as you can see that candle. And I don't care we came back in. If the buyers are going to prove that we're really back in balance, then they shouldn't have any trouble taking out yesterday's high. That's how I look at it. If they do that, we'll be in a 6-day balance, including today. If they can't do that, well, then the daily remains down. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Good luck trading today. And we'll recap the day and the week, either this afternoon or on